The name of this is going to be Rip or Flip, because he's either going to flip the chain some more or he's going to rip the paper. Yeah, right, Bogey? And he'll keep doing it until it's almost out of reach. Oh, I got pretty many minutes on here. But we'll see. When the paper's gone, then it'll be bye-bye. Come on, Bogey. Are you shy now? Are you going to be shy? Are you going to be shy, Bogey? Rip, rip, or jingle, jingle. No? Or maybe I got to do it from a different angle? Okay, is this better? Go get it. What you gonna do? Rip. Also can be called why cages shouldn't be by the wall. But since I do want my cat to have room, I decided to do it this way. Rip. Rip. Today is the 5th, March 5th of 2020. I'm still not sure if I've had him 2 years or if it's really been 3 years, because my other bird's last video was in 2018, but I thought he died in 2017, so either they've edited it or put it on late, or I'm wrong and I really only had him 2 years, and that the other bird's only been gone those 2 years. But in any case, Bogey Wogey's having lots of fun, aren't you? Lots of fun. You pull too hard, it's all going to be going bye-bye. He does talk a little, especially at night. I hear him when I also come home from work. I hear him try to say something. My other bird will say hi and meow. I have heard him say, "What you doing?" Yep, there he's going to go back to the chain a little bit, then he's going to go back to the paper. Up, itchy, itchy. Itchy, itchy. With the paper. What about the paper? Oh, it's going to lose part of it. Going to lose part of it. Going to lose part of your sheet of paper. And he has been able to pull the paper off of the hanger, or I should say the tape has been pulled off of my hangers that I decorated for him, and he's able to untwist the wire with the beads on it that you see in the back. And I have to keep putting it back. You can see it's all out of its position. There's a flash of Kai. There's my Kai, but it comes out dark. I don't know why. He's right in the sun. But over this way, it's clear. Good job, Kai. You found a treat, huh? You found some of those treats? You found them, huh? This is his second sheet, so I don't know if he's going to get tired. Because he can do a bunch. Even a thin fine-tuning, the old fine-tuning catalogs, the old ARP catalogs. I suppose if we give him a magazine, he'd just have a blast. I'm hoping it'll tire him out so that he stays in bed long enough. Because he has been getting up a little on the early side, so I've been trying to get him to bed sooner. I tried to get him to stay in bed until 10:30, 11. Because he did wake up early, so I just left him covered. But if he gets tired, he just simply has to go to bed earlier. Bogey is at least 32 years old, but I am his second owner. Say, please like and subscribe here. If you see this video, please like and subscribe because I have a second video set and we don't know why they're not acknowledging that their subscribers are on this side when they are on the other. 6 minutes. Oh, is he done? Is he done, huh? Did he give up? All done. All done. Well, what about the chain? Uh-oh, noise alert. Noise alert. Noise alert. Noise alert. Noise alert. What's this? Ooh, what a pretty picture, Bogey. What a pretty picture. What a pretty picture. Noise alert. Okay, should we quit? What is it? What is it? What is it? Bogey alert. Bogey's noise alert. Okay, maybe we can say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.